Hi everyone. In the previous video you have studied about the relational operators, and in this video we will be studying about the logical operators, which is another type of operators. Logical operators consist of three types of operators. One is AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. In AND operator, it is logical operators are also the AND operator and the OR operator are also binary operators. It is applied on the two operands, and NOT operator is a unary operator. It applies on the only on one operand. So AND operator tells us that either it gives us the results in true or false. Now I'll tell you that how it compute the results. There are one number is on the left hand side of the AND operator and another number is on the right hand side of the AND operator, like this, num1 and num2. So if this results in true and this results in true, so the whole result of this is true. If any of these conditions or both of these condition results in false, then the result of this will be false. But in case of OR, if like this is written like this, num1 num2, if any of this condition is true, then it will give the result in true. And the third one is a unary operator, so it is applied like this. So it transform the true into false and false into true. Now we'll move to the code, so you'll get that how this will work. In this file I have declared a class public logical, so the file name and the class name is same. And in the main function I have taken two variables, the two boolean type variables. One is true and another one is false, and in the next three lines I have applied every logical operator on these two operand. This is num1 and num2, num1 or num2 and not num2. So in the first case, if both the conditions are true, then only the result will be true. In the second case, if any of the condition is true, then the result will be true. And in the third case, if it is false, then it will convert it into true, and if it is true, then it will convert it into false. So let us just compile this program and see what is the output of this program. Logical.java. There are no errors in this file. Java logical. See, the answer of the first one is false because one is false from this, and the answer of the OR operator is true because one of these is true, and the answer of the third one is also true because this num2 was false and we have transformed this into, and NOT operator transformed this into true. If I change here true, you can see that there will be a slight change in answer. I'll again recompile it and run it. See, the first is also true because this will give true only if both the conditions are true. Now I'll change num1 into false and let's see that what changes does this program make. See, now the first result is false because both conditions are not true, and the second part, the second is true because num2 is true even num1 is false. So if one of the condition is true, the OR operator give the results in true, and the third one is false because num2 is true and it is converting true into false. And if you remember, in C and C++ we have said that everything besides 0 is true even it's if at a negative number. So if I write here 5 and 3, this is true in C and C++, but in Java this will not work. It will give a compile time error. You can see that there is a compile time error because in AND operator it recommends that this should be written specifically true or false. This the numbers, this integers won't work. But if I write a condition over here that 5 is greater than 3, now this will result in true, and if I write here 3 is less than 5, now this will also result in true. Now I'll save it and I'll recompile it. See, there is no error in the program, and I'll run it. See, the answer is true because both conditions are true. For Java, any number is not true, just true, boolean true is true and boolean false is false. So if I make it this condition false and save it, then the answer will be slight different. See, the answer will be false. So this is about the logical operator. This is how logical operators works in Java, and in the next video we'll be studying the bitwise operators. Thank you.